Use our profile groups feature to store groupings of social profiles along with a specific category to save you time. This is great for if you're managing multiple companies, for example. You could select company A and it will select only those profiles for company A and the category for company A. You can select company B and it'll select the profiles for company B as well as a different category. This is also great if you are doing different things within your workspace. Like let's say you're creating Reels. What you can do is create a Reels category. Now that you have the category stored, you can pick out only your Facebook and your Instagram profiles because that's where you're posting your Reels. Then click the drop down and click Save as Group. Let's call it Reels. And for the category, I'm going to have this select the Reels category and then click Save Group. Now, anytime in the future that I come back and I want to post a Reel that I just created, I can click this and say Reels. And what will happen is it will select only the Reels social profiles and it will automatically select the Reels category for me. It's a huge, huge time saver. If you want to edit a group, it's very simple. Just hover over it, click the edit button, and while this is open, you can change the social profiles and then click save or delete if you want to delete it. So now that that was saved, if I select Reels again, it's going to select all of those profiles because I just added those while I was in edit mode.